Okay guys, I'm going to show you something very interesting today. I'm going to show you a live run through of me doing the new AEO, GEO, SEO on a website. Now first of all, thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring this video. Shout out to SEMrush, more on that later. But basically I've been using their MCP more and more, and I'm going to show you some of that in today's video. Now we've been getting really good results from this, right? Now, you know me as a YouTuber, I don't really take sponsors, I'm really bad with sponsors, but when a sponsor reaches out to me that I do use, I always think about it. And with SEMrush, I've been using their MCP for the last few months now, and it's absolutely incredible. So the way this works is, guys, we are connected to Shopify. We're using the connector, right? It's pretty simple stuff. If you can't connect a connector to Claude Code, this is the Claude Code app for Mac, then I don't really know what to tell you. It's really easy. Just try and work it out for yourselves. But basically just go here, plus connectors, and then browse connectors, and then search for Shopify, and then just press connect. And then just say something like, can you see if you're connected to this store in any way? We're going to be using Fable on low, just because I like to use it on low for things like this. And yeah, let's just jump into things. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to export, and then download CSV just like that, and then just save that. And then I'm going to feed this information, which is in a .zip. So we'll grab this. Let's just grab all of it and just dump it in here. I'm just going to say, can you start by taking a look at this data and starting to find unbranded terms that may make sense for us to rank for, right? So SEMrush have given me access to their MCP. So again, huge shout out to SEMrush. This is another connector. I can't remember if they have their own connector here. If you just, so if you just search SEMrush again, and then just connect it, I've already connected like that. SEMrush did give me access to their tool. So these are the keywords that I'm trying to improve. And you can see the click potential is really good here. But how do we move forwards? Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this on high, and I'm going to say, now take a look for some terms using the SEMrush MCP. Look for seed plus secondary keywords that we can either create content around that page or add to a page to help rank. SEMrush has been pivotal to our SEO now for the last kind of few months. It's really good. The MCP is super nice. It's kind of been responsible for a lot of the growth here that we're finding on Ballandary Park, specifically the guide pages that it created. This combination created this page. It came up with the entire idea for itself, everything, and then did all of the SEO using the SEMrush MCP. So just before we continue, guys, quick shout out from our sponsor, SEMrush. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm talking about right here. This is SEMrush 1, and you can get a free trial for 14 days using the link in the description and in the pinned comment. This gives you an all-in-one modern search solution, which is both traditional SEO and also AI-driven SEO, built into one handy subscription. Now, SEMrush has for a long time been one of the best when it comes to helping businesses grow online, and they are constantly adapting, as you can see right here, with their LLM tracking as well. They make it super simple, super easy, and you can actually very easily get your competitors' keywords, what they're already ranking for, in LLMs, and it's a very good tool. Now, obviously, with SEO changing and being more about LLMs now, you have to know how to rank on LLMs, and SEMrush is one of the best ways to do that. Go and check them out, guys. They have made a really good tool, and it's not too expensive either. If you need this tool, then SEMrush is definitely the best option and choice. Thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring this video. Let's jump back into things. Okay, so thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring the video. Let's jump back into the content. So you can see here, it's starting to grab actual key terms, keywords. Super interesting stuff, I'm sure. Okay, so this is what it's come up with. So new clattering meaning and how to wear it guide. This is personally what I would make. However, this business doesn't want us to recreate this kind of content for them. So unless I can find a page that already exists. Okay, so we have this content here, history of the Claddagh ring. I think we can get away with making a page here. So I'm just going to press view and see what this page looks like. So this is just a standard page. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to create this page because I think this is just too good to make. So let's make a Claddagh ring meaning and how to wear it guide. You cannot use any words that you do not find on the site itself. Be extremely diligent and that's what diligent, and make sure you don't make anything up. Do any embellishment whatsoever. Include images and fully SEO this page, including all keywords, seed, and otherwise. Embed collections plus other images in the page plus rich JSON schema and anything else you can think of to help this page rank, right? And then I'm just going to give it this content. This content below was taken from their site. Okay, so you've got to be really careful with this kind of thing. I do think this is a really, really good page to make. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and make it. Let's see what else it came up with. So enhance homepage, main rings collection, Claddagh head cluster, Claddagh ring, obviously. Secondary to weave into copy, Claddagh rings, Irish Claddagh rings, Claddagh ring bands. This could be a good like rings collection. Do they have a rings collection? I assume they do. Let's go products, collections. Let's just quickly check if they actually have rings. Okay, so they don't actually have a rings collection. They just have all the separate rings. That's pretty interesting. I think we could maybe do number 2 here as a ring collection. That's such a good idea. I'm going to do that for sure. Okay, so yeah, I'll just type that prompt out. So number 2, let's do a rings collection for this. Pack it full of information plus keywords plus JSON schema plus anything else you can think of to get it ranking. Just do a rule like if product title contains ring, and then jam pack it with all the seed keywords. Bang. So this is another really, really good one that could potentially have huge impact on this business, right? So right now we are growing this website. It's doing pretty damn well, to be honest with you. We are expecting it to do even better though. Like it's starting to really pop here. So okay, guys. So now we can start to see the power of this tool, right? So let's just go preview here. Let's have a little look. So yeah, this is. So these should all be words from their store. There's loads of really nice information at the bottom. You know, we've got every single keyword here that you could ever imagine. This is the kind of page that AI and Google will just gobble up, guys. I'm getting excited because I haven't really been able to, I haven't been showing this stuff. And I'll tell you why. Every time I do anything on the channel where I mention SEO recently, it's been doing really, really badly. But recently I did one that did really, really well. So I'm trying to bring that back a little bit on the channel. This is the kind of content that will rank so well on Google, right? So this is a page, right? I don't think there's a better way to make these pages. Blogs, I would say use Harbor, but pages like this is just, no one else gets it. Claude Code is numero uno for that, for sure. Okay, beautiful. There we go. 5 minutes work, could be 10,000 clicks a month. Beautiful. Let's do number 2 here. I'm just gonna say, yeah, do number 2. So just while I do the other stuff here, that's going to do that. So let's just do visible here. I should get them to check the page, but I'll just, for now, I'm just going to do this because they're a little bit hesitant to do anything or to let AI do anything on this site. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it and show them that, you know, it's got millions and millions of impressions or whatever, hopefully. Okay, so that's now done. Also, we're only using words from their website, right? That's the main thing. Okay, so let's say test live URL here. This should just get indexed pretty easily. They do have this history of the Claddagh ring. I just don't think it's a good enough page, to be honest with you. So this page should knock that page out of the park. We'll see as well. I'll show you guys the updates for sure. This is something I used to do on the channel all the time, like make a piece of content, submit it, and then in a few days show you guys how it's ranking, right? So I'll try and kind of bring that back a little bit on the channel too. Okay, so URL is available to Google, request indexing. Bang, done. Well, let's see how quickly that gets indexed. I'm going to say it takes 30 seconds. So now we're making a smart collection. I'm going to show you one more tip that will just literally change your lives if you're into this stuff, which, I mean, you should be. Shopify is a really, really good CMS, to be honest. Like, I've been making everything by hand, not by hand, like custom the last couple of months or whatever, but if I was setting up a serious e-com store, I would 100% be using Shopify, right? There we go. So now we have cladder rings, right? So this is just all cladder rings. So now we're trying to rank specifically for the term cladder ring. Okay. Now, you know, I'm going to put this underneath, I think, actually. Yeah, I'm going to put the text underneath. A lot of people will say, like, this page, you know, is going to rank over other things, but, you know, sometimes that's the point, right? So let's see the SEO here. Cladder ring is the original Irish cladder ring, Galway since 1750. Got all this beautiful SEO in here. I'm going to actually put the descriptions underneath, right? So let's just go to online store, edit theme, go to a product, so product, default product. Oh no, sorry, collection, default collection, and then just put the. Okay, no, it doesn't seem to be that easy. I can't do it from here. I'd have to make a piece of code, but that's fine. Okay, so there we go. That's another page created. So let's just go back here and go to products, collections, and then cladder rings. So this one. So this is just all of the cladder rings that they sell. Grab that, go here, press enter, test live URL. So yeah, we're trying to rank specifically for cladder ring with this one. I think it's got a really good chance of doing that basically. Request indexing again, same thing as before. Let's see if the other one is already indexed. Let's just see here. Yep, it is. Beautiful. Okay, now I want you to add meta fields to all the products and also ensure that the store is AI ready, including LLMs.txt and meta fields properly being used in AI using the, oh, what the hell's it called? What is it called? Shopify AI, what's it called? UGC or something? Using the UCP system. And then the other thing I want to do is also change all the image names to actually include keywords. Okay, guys, so I'm going to let this run for a little while. This will take a lot of time. Okay, guys, so you can see here that we've now added meta fields, right? Which, if you don't know, this actually affects how AI sees your store now, because it can read these, right? Oh, it hasn't actually. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, no, it needs to actually be connected to the products as well. And you connect them to the products, the meta field. Oh no, sorry, an agent is already doing that. And then agent 2 is renaming all of the images, right? So let's just go back here and let's just see what that looks like. So files, we should start to see these being renamed. Apparently not, but they might just take some time, I guess. Okay, so yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave the video there. Really, really interesting stuff. If people like this kind of content, then let me know. I do want to make more of this content. It's just, it hasn't really been performing on my channel up until very recently. Let's see if this collection got indexed. It did. So we'll see how these rank over time. With all that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to SEMrush for sponsoring this video. If you are watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend, and I will see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.